Good evening, traders. I'll quickly give you a quick update on natural gas. Right now, you can see the ascending channel here on the natural gas. The NG is making the higher highs and higher lows here between this channel. In my previous video, I have said that I'm expecting to see the natural gas go up to 5.431. So it got really close to that level. So what to expect next from natural gas? So right now, here, as I told you, that natural gas is forming higher highs and higher lows. So right now, what I'm expecting to see another pullback here before it makes another move back up. But if we see another pullback and it breaks below this channel here, ascending channel, then we'll be expecting to see a pullback towards this level before the natural gas makes it move downwards. If the NG breaks above this level, then we'll expect to see the trend continuation back to the channel, retest of this ascending channel before it makes its way up. Just keep an eye on both moves. I'll keep you updated with the natural gas and all the moves. So I hope you got some value out of the video. If you have taken this trade which I've mentioned yesterday, yes, you have made some money. If we get a bullish or bearish entry condition, I'll keep you guys in the loop, and if you have any questions, you can always comment down below, and you can always send me a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care.